Today is day 18 of our chicken hatch, which means that these eggs have been inside the incubator for 18 days, and the little chicken embryos on the inside of the egg have been growing and growing and growing. And at day 18, they are just about done growing. Today's work is to unplug the turning machines that have been gently rolling those eggs from side to side, and to put the eggs directly on the surface, the bottom surface of the incubator, so that the little chick inside can turn itself around and get itself in position to hatch. Very carefully lay the eggs down on this grate, and I'm going to use a couple of rocks to weigh down the corners. One thing I want to show you is the first thing that the baby chick will do before it hatches is it'll use its end of its beak, where it has something called an egg tooth, to pip or peck one hole in the egg, and that'll be its breathing hole. And once it's done that, it'll probably rest for a little bit because it's a baby and babies need lots of rest. But then it's going to use that same egg tooth on the edge of the beak to peck a hole all the way around the egg. It's called a zipping, and that will allow it to break off the end and have the baby chick basically flop out onto this grate here. And once they're born and their wings have dried off and they seem stable on their legs, we'll move them into their first home called a brooder.